what's up, what it do, what's good with you? It is Dark9025 coming to you live, and today I'm going to be doing a video basically giving advice on when you have YouTube creator block. What I mean by YouTube creator block is basically kind of like writer's block, but you don't know which video to make. So you're just running out of ideas, you don't know what to film, you don't want to be like everyone else, you know, making the same content as people, which is, I mean, I don't care, but running out of ideas, you're just kind of stuck on what videos to make. So I just kind of want to give a couple of tips that I use and like share a couple of different things that I do when I have that YouTube creators block, because I get it all the time. And yeah, that's what my video is going to be about today. So what I think is important and what I do is I literally get inside of my element. Even if I don't have a YouTube video to make, I, you know, get myself made up. Today I'm kind of slacking because I just like kind of have almost little to no makeup on. But yeah, I get myself made up, and then I set all my camera stuff up, like all my filming equipment, and I literally just sit here. Like I sit here, get in my element. I get in the zone of how I would be if I did have a video to make, and I literally just sit here until I come up with something. Sometimes it's best to be in the zone, be in that moment as if it is happening, and then it will come to you, like ideas will come to you. For example, like if I'm just sitting here randomly and I don't know what YouTube video to make, first of all, I take a second and think like, okay, what have I been thinking about lately? What has been on my mind lately? And how can what has been on my mind help somebody else or inspire somebody else? So like last week, I believe, I had YouTube creator block when I made that nursing video, like the nurse or stripper, like I'm stuck video. And I literally just sat there and I analyzed like what has really been on my mind the most, what have I been thinking about the most, and it has been my stress level from the classes that I'm taking to get into nursing school. And I'm like, hey, that would be a good addition, just expressing my feelings on YouTube, you know, just flat out, just straight to the chase, like just telling them how I'm feeling. That would be a video right there. My channel is Brains, Beauty, and Charisma, like my bios and my channel art says. Sometimes you just have to get in your element and think. Like YouTube is like a stress reliever for me, so it's not hard for me to, or it's not like something I have to be dragged to do when I'm doing YouTube. So sitting right here in my element, especially when I don't have a video in mind that I want to make, is like when I'm, you know, at my happiest. It's kind of like a reflection time, and at the same time I get to make content for you all to see, and you know, another video where other people can support each other, you know. So it's just really cool. So most definitely just sit here and think about what has affected you, and how you can change that into something positive, and how it can help somebody else. So that's one thing that you can do. Another thing that you can do is physically look around your surroundings. So this is my filming area right here. I've been filming here for like a lot of my past videos. I just think it's a pretty cool setup. It's kind of like, I don't know, I just kind of like the vibe right here. I'm comfortable right here. Sometimes I just literally look in the camera, like I look in my camera lens, and I'm thinking like, what is in my view right now? And or just around my room, like I just look like, what in my room can inspire me? So like when I did my iPhone case collections, my iPhone cases were back here in this little cubby right here, and I'm like, I just looked around my room and I was like, hey, I might as well do a mini iPhone case collection. And there I go. I had a whole video to make. So behind me, I have a piggy bank. Make a video how to save money. I have my perfumes. I can pick out my favorite perfume. I have books down there. I can share my favorite books, my favorite authors, stuff like that. Just different stuff around my room can inspire me. So most definitely just physically taking a look at what is literally around you can help you to make more content or to come up with something, especially if you dig deep. Another thing is to literally do your research. So being like a YouTube creator is not just setting up a camera in front of yourself is making videos. You actually have to do research, and not even just research on what other videos to make, but research on other things as well. But since having YouTube creator block is what we're talking about in this video, I would highly suggest doing research, looking at your favorite channels, or just randomly going on YouTube. You can even go to the trending section on YouTube anything. You can look it up on Google. Just do your research on video ideas, and you don't have to literally do like word for word what that video says. You don't have to do exactly what that video is doing, but it can inspire you to make your own version of what that person is doing. I think it's okay to look to other people's content and then make a video of your own. Like, if you see me, I just made the makeup storage organization and collection. If you feel like, okay, I just watched Leah's video, so now I want to do my own, feel free. Like, don't feel ashamed, like, just because somebody else is doing it. So yes, by doing your research, that can most definitely inspire you. You don't have to do word for word. Just, be your own unique self. Like, change your inspiration into you. A fourth thing that you can do is kind of what I call revising old videos, and you don't even necessarily have to delete it like your other videos if you feel like they're not good enough. But basically, when I say revising old videos, you go back on your channel and you know how like you're not as good as you were when you first started. Like, you obviously grow every time you make a video, either by you watching other people's videos and you seeing like, oh, I like the way they edited this, or like you might have added an intro to your video in one of these other videos, or your makeup routine might have changed. So that's what I meant by revising videos. So one other way you can get over that YouTube creator block is by going through your own channel and seeing which videos that you believe that you can make better, or what video, like you can even make a reaction video to your old video. Like, that's even a video idea right there. So most definitely you can be inspired by your own channel. Like, I know my eyebrow routine video, I was so pressed on people just actually knowing how to do it and stuff. My eyebrow routine video was 17 minutes long. Like, there's no way an eyebrow routine video should be that long. So like, I know one of the things that I want to do, and one things that I was inspired to do, is do an updated eyebrow routine. It'll be a quicker video for people to watch so that they actually have the attention span to watch it. And then my eyebrow routine has also changed, like using different products and everything else. So that's an example of what I mean by revising one of your old videos, which should also help you make that content. Even if you do want people to still watch the other video, or to see like, how you have grown, you can link that video and tell people to watch that as well. And now you have, certain number, you can have views on that video and the video that you just uploaded. So that's most definitely another tip. So that is all that I have for you all today. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I really hope that this video helped. I know that me having a video like this would have most definitely helped me, so I just felt like I should share with you what I do, and how I can kind of consistently upload without having the same type of videos. In the upper left corner, you can click the circle with my picture in it, and that is the direct way for you to subscribe. Also in the bottom right corner, always check that out for more content. In the last 20 seconds of this video, it is Dark Beauty 925 signing out of this live. Bye.